Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. We have young Kai, the youngest Kai we know here on this channel, and this song called My Light. We had him before, and this is a great song from him coming out here, My Light. So let's look into it. And we have a capo set high up here on the 6th fret because we want the easiest chords possible and to get to be able to play this melody as well. So let's go through the chords, and we have 5 different chords to handle here. So yeah, let's start with E. That's the first chord, and it goes open E, second A, second D, first G, open B, and open E. Next chord is the G sharp 7. That's a bar chord. You place the index finger on the 4th fret. You push down all strings there. Then you need to add 6 on A and 5th on G. Then we have the C sharp minor. Again, a bar chord, and still 4th fret this time. You don't have to bar the last E string, but the 5 strings below necessary. Then you need to add 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. Then we also got the B chord. What I do here, I place 2 bars, one on the 2nd fret, and I push down 5 strings there. And then I place 1 bar in front of it on the 4th fret, and I try to get the D, G, and B string there. Okay, and when I do the strumming later on, I try to avoid the last E string. Okay, so let's play in the middle here, the mid strings. And finally, we have the A. And that goes open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so we're going to start with the verse and chorus play, and you have 2 different ways of playing this. So first off, the chord progression. Okay, we're going to play E to G sharp, to C sharp minor, and to A. That's the first round. And then you're going to alternate this G sharp with the B chord. So everything else stays the same there. So second round will be E, and then instead of playing the G sharp, you go to B now. Okay, and then you can continue in the same way with C sharp and A. So that is how the chord progression goes. Okay, so you have E. And we're gonna play in different styles. Then you have the G sharp. Then you have the C sharp minor. And then you have the A. And that's the first round. And the next round is E. And instead of playing G, you play now B. Try to play on the mid strings there, and then C sharp and A. So that is pretty much one chord progression round where you're gonna alternate the G with the B. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna start the song, and one way of playing it is just 1 down per chord. So you're going to play 1 round like this with G and the B chord alternating, and there you have finished 1 round of that 1 down per chord. Then you're going to add up to play with 2 downs per chord now instead. So and then you're gonna add up more to it and play 4 downs per chord. So, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. And on that 3rd down, I like to go down on the higher strings. I play a little bit in the bass mid area for all of these chords. So bass, bass, and then on that 3rd down, I go down and back to bass on the 4th. So bass, bass, top, bass, 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 top, bass. So 1 strumming round is 4 downs. Alright, so there you pretty much have the full song there, but I want to give you this main melody as well. Okay, so we're gonna start in this E chord area, and we're gonna play certain notes. You're gonna play like this, And I'm aware of when it goes on here in the melody, you're gonna go up to very high strings up here, and you will see that I translated them, I took them down one step, so to speak. So we're gonna play everything very reachable here in this area. We don't have to go up and play above like 12th frets and 14th, 15th up to the high notes here. That is what is actually played in the song, but we're gonna play it and do it in an easier way, but still the same notes, okay? If that makes sense. Anyway, let's go into this, and like I said, we're gonna start with the E part. So you're gonna play the open E string in the bass together with open B, then open B again, and open high E 2 times. Then you go into the G sharp area. What I do here, I just play a big bar on the 4th fret, and I play. So you're gonna play 4th fret E string together with 4th G, then again 4th G, then 7th B, so a little bit stretchy there, and 4th B. Then you go into the C sharp area, and that will be to play this part. Again a bar, and now I play the 4th fret A together with 5th B, and then you play 6th G, and then 5th B, and 6th G. I think this is easier to play with a bar, since we already have a bar on the previous chord, so I just continue with that bar in the same spot. Anyway, and then we go into the A part, and it goes like this. So that is to play open A together with 4th B, and then again 4th B, and open B 2 times. That is the first half. So slowly it goes like this. The second half starts with E again, so you're gonna play this part. So that's to play open E string in the bass together with open high E. Then again open high E, and then 2 times on the 2nd fret high E. Then you go to this G sharp bar again, and play that the exact same way as you played before, so no changes here. And then you go to the C sharp part, and you play like this. So I play this with a bar again, 4th fret A string together with 5th B, then 5th B again 2 times, and then 7th B, and then you finish off with the A part, which is, and that is to play open A together with open high E, then 4th E, and 2nd E. And that is the second half. And then it goes like this. So that is the melody, the main melody. Gonna play at least 2 times in the song at 1:09 minutes and 2 minutes and 33 seconds in. Perhaps one more time, I'm not sure there, but at least these 2 times. Then we also have a different melody then later on. Starts about 1 minute and 37 seconds in. I'm just gonna give you the notes. I haven't played this too much, so I'm just gonna give you the notes. If you want to, you can just follow them and then try and practice to be better at this, okay? So you're gonna start with E first. So it goes like this. So open E string together with 2nd D, then open E again, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, 2nd A, and 2nd D. Then comes the B parts, and you're gonna play. So what you play here is the 2nd A together with 4th B, then 4th G, then again 4th B, 4th G, and then 4th high E, then 4th G, and 4th B. Then you have the C sharp part. It goes like this. It's one pattern for 2 times, and you're gonna play 4th A together with 5th B, then 4th G, 6th D, and 4th G. And you play that part for 2 times. Then you move on to the A part. You're going to play it like this. And that is open A together with 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd B, 2nd G, open high E, 2nd G, 2nd B, and 2nd G. That's the first half of this part. Then the second half will be again E. So that is to play open E string in the bass together with open high E. Then 1st G, open B, 1st G, open high E, 1st G, and open B. Okay, next part is the B part. Okay, so you're gonna play. So that is the 2nd fret A string together with 4th B. And then you go to 4th D, 4th G, 4th D, 4th B, 4th D, and 4th G. Then you play the C sharp part in the same way as you played before, so no changes there. And then you finish off with A, and it goes like this. So you're going to play open A together with 2nd B, 2nd G, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, 2nd G, and 2nd D. All right, so a long melody there, and all of this you're gonna play for 2 rounds. But remember, this is kind of a bridge part. The first melody we played and really learned, and I also showed you that in the introduction of the tutorial, that is the main melody song. Otherwise, we have these chord progressions, the strumming patterns, and guess what, guys? That's it. That is how you handle Young Kai's My Light. Alright, I understand it's a lot of notes and here and there, but focus on the chords and the strumming. That makes up for like 80% of the song, and the rest will come. And yeah, good luck with this one. Hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, feel free to support me. You know how. You like this tutorial, thumb up, subscribe to this channel, perhaps leave a comment, and be back. Thank you for watching, and play tuned.